breeze on through. Skies filled with weathered songs, choirs of flying feathered throngs. Soon the thickening clouds arose, shadows widening, light is closed.
Here we go.
And in a breath the day grows stark. Storm spirits come and claim the dark. The sun will rise beyond the veil, though tempests rise and lash and rail. The ancient blue is never slain, it waits just beyond the rain. But when the storms have told their story, skies shine again with divine glory. You may return to find the land shifted within by your own hand. By your own hand. The lightning showed its silver runes, warnings rang out, change was soon. Thunder spoke with iron tongues, far older than the earthly young nuns. The roads became a river's path, flowing fast in its own wrath. All that was held was swept aside, carried away by stormy ride. The sun will rise beyond the veil, though tempests rise and lash and rail. The ancient blue is never slain, it waits just beyond the rain. But when the winds unmake the day, and you have cast your fears away, you may return to find your name is not the one before you claimed. For change descends on silent wings, bursting forth from bubbling springs. Yet through its touch the soul is shown, that water's force can shape the stone. Withdraw, light restores its ancient law. The quiet heart that braved the storm finds another truer form. The sky resumes its ageless hue, the trusted deep and ancient blue. As you step forth, the tempered flame, the view is never quite the same. The storm may fade, yet you remain. When storms abate, leaves wisdom's gate.